Alright, today we are going to set up our homelab server. I got all the parts from Amazon. Let's unpack and see. Okay. We got the first box. Let's unpack and then let's see what we got. AMD CPU. This is 5000. Alright. To let's set up our server, we'll starting with this motherboard. This is the AMD motherboard B550M. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth capabilities, and fully supports the AMD Ryzen CPU. This is from the MSI brand. Okay. So with this motherboard, we're using the AMD Ryzen. This has 16 core and then 32 thread. I need a lot of core power, so I'm just using this. This doesn't come with a GPU unit for the display, and for that I have to use an external graphics card. I'll be using this GT710 from GeForce, and for the RAM we're using this 64 gig. Each slot has 32 gig. I'll be using this for the RAM, and for the hard disk, using this 1 terabyte WD Glue NVMe. So we have to choose this specifically. So there's other version supports for a laptop. So this is a desktop version. And the CPU cooling, we need a lot of cooling for the CPU because we'll be running the homelab server. So using the Peerless Assassin version, this does the job. And we have the power supply. This gives a power to the CPU and the graphics and then other units of the desktop. And finally, we have a case which will be used to assemble everything. This is the H5 Flow from NGXT. This has a lot of compartments. I already used this. This does great. So with that, I'll be starting with this motherboard, taking the CPU and then installing, and then we'll just go step by step. So generally, we should not keep this down because this backside also has this all this connection. So I think it's recommended to just keep it on the box. So I'm going to just take it out and then just put it on top of this box.